Hello everyone. Today we will learn to make an alphabetic pattern in Java. As you can see, one alphabetic pattern is given on the board where we have A in the first row, A, B in the second row. In third row we have A, B, C. In fourth row we have A, B, C, D. And in fifth row we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we have already learned printing the pattern of numbers. Today we will see a pattern of alphabets. So let's see how we can write it, how to write the code for it. For doing this, first of all, we are going to write class. Okay, let's give the class name pat. Okay, then public static void main. Okay, and then what we do, we write string args. That is done. The next step is what? We are going to declare a variable whose value we are going to give 65. See why we are using it? Let's understand. Actually, the alphabets, the capital letters of alphabets, the ASCII value of A is 65, okay, and it is up to 90. The ASCII value of Z is 90. So the American Standard Code information for interchange value of A is 65 and of Z is 90. So between 65 to 90 we have 26 characters. So that's why we have taken the variable of integer type and we have kept the value 65. Okay, now we will see how to print alphabet. Now what we have to do, we have to run a loop. Let's run a loop for int I equal to 0 and we have to print how many? We have to print 5. So lesser than 5 we are going to run. I should be lesser than 5, I plus plus. Okay, we have to print 5 rows, that's why 0 to 4. Then second, j should be what? 0 and j should be lesser or equal to I. We have to make it depend on I. Okay, and then j plus plus has to be done. That we all do always. Okay, now we have to do the first loop. The outer loop decides the number of rows. That is 0 to 5 means 5 rows. 0 to 4 means 5 rows, and then we have to print. What we have to print? We have to print alphabets. So let's see the remaining code. Then after, what we have to do? The scope of the inner loop. Okay, so now we are going to write here system dot out dot print. System dot out dot print. And what we are going to write here? What we have to print? We have to print that value. So why I'm going to convert this, that value, that integer value I will convert into character. That is called typecasting. Okay, so that will be converted into character. Where the value is stored? That is stored in A, that value 65, and whatever the value of j will be, initial value is 0, so that will be this, and we will print it. Okay, now let's put semicolon. Then after we will close this loop, and again what we are going to write here? We are going to write here system dot out dot print, and here we will just simply change the line. We will simply change the line. Okay, and now this is closed. The outer loop is closed. Let's close the class and let's close the main function. You know what will happen? Let's see how the output comes. Okay, for understanding the output, we will see here this one. For int I is equal to 0, I should be lesser than 5, I plus plus. Then for j is 0, j should be lesser or equal to I, j plus plus. And then what we are printing in SOP? We are printing here char, we are converting into character, that is a plus j. This is what we are doing. Okay, Now see what will happen. What is the initial, what is the value of A? 65 we have already kept. Okay, now let's see. I is 0, 0 is lesser than 5. Okay, so condition is true. J is 0, 0 is equal to 0. Condition is true. What is the value of A? 65. 65 plus 0, 65. Okay, and what we have to do? 65, when 65 as a number, it is 65. When it is converted into character data type, that will become what? ASCII value. So it will be printed what? The ASCII value, 65 is the ASCII value of which character? Capital A. Okay, when J++ happens, it becomes 1. 1 is lesser than 0, condition gets false. When the condition gets false, one line will be printed here. One line will be printed, a blank line, the cursor will come here. I++ here, I becomes 1. 1 is lesser than 5. 5, now again 0. 0 is, J becomes 0. 0 is lesser than 1. Condition true. Now, so what will happen? Again 65 plus 0, A will be printed. When J++, it becomes 1. 65 plus 1, 66. What will be printed? B will be printed. Okay. Next is what? After that, what will happen? Line will be changed when J++ become 2. 2 is lesser than 1. Condition false. It goes top and it goes at the outer loop. I++ becomes 2. Again, it will run how many times? 3 times. 0, 1 and 2. So for 0, it will be A. That will be 0 plus 65. 1 means 65 plus 1, 66. And for 65 plus 2, that is 67, ABC. Same way, we will follow the same process for the when I becomes 3. Okay. And when I becomes 4, it will be something like this. So in this way, this pattern can be printed. So this is an alphabetic pattern for you all. Okay, and you can test it. You can run on writing in the notepad, and you can run it through the command prompt. Okay, so that's all for this video.
Like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.